This mask on my face contains turmeric and milk. Turmeric is an antioxidant that will help to fight environmental stressors. It will also help to fade dark spot, hyperpigmentation and blemishes on my skin, and generally brighten up my skin, because turmeric contains curcumin, which is an ingredient that is a super brightening ingredient that helps to fade dark spot, fine lines and wrinkles, and just give you a smooth, clear, glowing skin. Okay, then milk contains lactic acid. Lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid. Now this means that this lactic acid in this milk will help to gently exfoliate my skin, bring out dead skin cells from my skin, so that I will have this soft, supple skin, like I will have this instant glow. Now let me show you what I use in mixing these two kitchen ingredients. Let's do this, guys.
Okay guys, you need a clean plate. Just take a clean plate, put your turmeric powder. It should be organic turmeric powder, please. So in this video I put 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, then I come in with my powdered milk. Those are the two ingredients that you will need for this face mask. Then you come in with the last thing, which is your water. You mix, put in your water first, put in your water, and you mix the two ingredients together to form a semi-thick consistency. That's me mixing my turmeric and milk, and that is it. You have the mask. Now you rub it on your face. Rub the mask generously on your face. That's me rubbing it. I'm using my plastic spoon to rub it on my face. Do not use your spoon, use a beating, okay? So I'm rubbing it. I will rub it generously on my face. That's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm rubbing it generously on my face. I will rub all over down to my neck. Remember, you do not ignore your neck, because you want the skin on your neck and on your face to be the same. So whatever product you apply on your face, remember to apply those products on your neck, please. So that's me rubbing my product all over, and that is it. I will rub this product all over my face, and then I will leave this product on my skin for 15 to 20 minutes. Please do not go away, because I'm going to show you.
So guys, this is how. Okay guys, so this is how my face looks like now. The mask is so dry on my skin right now. As you can see, look at that. It's so dry on my skin.
It is dry and strong on my face.
I carried it for 20 minutes and I'm going to wash it up now. So I'll come back and show you the after results. Don't leave me away, please.